let's get a 0 to 60 run. Let's see what the old 500 will do. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, it accelerates pretty good mid-range, and then of course when it reaches right about 50, about right now, it kind of starts to stall off. 55, 56, 57. It's sitting there kind of teeter-tottering between 57 and 58 and 59. And I had to really work to hit 60 on this gravel road. And I finally clipped it and let out. But let's try a little something different.
Alright, the 0 to 40 time is a little more realistic since 60 is top speed. So let's see what 0 to 40 is. 3, 2, 1, go.
That was 0 to 40 in 5.1 seconds, and I didn't think to put it in four-wheel drive since I was on the gravel, but I mean, this ain't a drag racing machine, but I was just doing this video so you can kind of see how it stacks up to other similar machines.